everything a person has or been through, one still has the capacity to be an instrument of change.
Someone call the ambulance. Someone call the ambulance.
Oh, happy poor guy.
No, I will survive. I have two options. Either I can bemoan over my condition or I can go to give exam. I think I will survive 3 hours. I will go to examination hall.
Of 11,000 volts. I fell unconscious and was rushed to the hospital. I had sustained 75 to 80% burns. It was a miracle that I survived. The current had traveled through my right hand and left and through my left foot. My right hand was severely damaged. I had sustained a lot of injuries. My left hand had no skin, muscles or tissues left. The doctors wanted to save my left hand. So they decided to cut open my abdomen.
I am a woman saying I want more. So give me what I'm asking for.
वही है मन का मस्त मलन को अपने धुन का सत्य स्वाभिमानी जय है महाविनाश ओंकार है इसी की वाणी इसी की वाणी भागत सूरा बेल का पत्ता तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता में स्पीकर भी अटक अमर है महादेव हर हर है सत्ता